everybody, it's Alex with Master Odor Removal, Boca Raton. I am in Boca Raton servicing this lovely townhouse. You can see we've already applied our first step molecular chemical to the ceiling. We've actually serviced most of the walls. We've serviced the ceiling as well, the floors. We've already serviced the ceiling. We've done the bathroom in here. You can see it's still wet. This is for a dog urine situation. All right. So we've basically done, everything's drying beautifully because we have the doors open. But there was a puppy in here, and this is actually a repeat client. I serviced this unit about a year ago, and she called us again. So that says that we obviously did a fantastic service the first time. And so we're back again because she allowed another dog in here, which is cool. But it had accidents. And so anyway, you can see this floor is all drying. And then there's another little den study right here. This is taking a while to dry. I'm going to open up this window. You can see the mildew growing on outside the window. So typically I don't like to open these with that much mildew there because I don't want it to enter the house. But anyway, so we serviced all that. And then there's the entranceway. You can see it's wet. And then we're going to service the air conditioning, which is over here back in the kitchen, just to make sure it smells fresh and clean. This is where the AC unit is, obviously. So we'll service that once everything dries, and we'll get the air ducts smelling good. And that's really basically it. We are luxury townhouse odor removal specialists in Boca and all across South Florida and the country. And we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.